Many Mercedes owners have reported a frustrating problem when trying to fill their tanks. Regardless of the gas station they use, the pump keeps shutting off shortly after the fill starts, even if you hold the handle tightly. One solution to this issue is replacing the vent in the filler line, which is a well-known problem in some newer models. It's not a complicated repair and can make a world of difference in your fueling experience. If you've been struggling with this problem, this could be the fix you've been searching for. While you're working on a permanent solution, there are some temporary tricks you can try. For instance, rotating the pump handle to about 80 degrees can sometimes alleviate the issue. It's not a perfect fix, but it might help you fill up more smoothly until you can address the root cause. Don't let the frustration of filling up your tank ruin your driving experience. With these solutions, you can make the process smooth and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of your automotive journey.